What's up, everyone? So, hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are gonna try out this Milaf Cola. This this is actually Saudi made, and it's made with premium dates and with minimal processing and all that. You might have heard of Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, and all these cold drinks, beverages, but this one is as natural as you can get in a cold drink. And let's actually not as natural, but in terms of let's say the processed and carbonated drinks, this is the, I think, the most natural one you can get in Saudi Arabia. So I'm gonna try out Milaf Cola, and there has been a lot of hype about it. This is the first time I'm trying this. Let's see if it lives up to the hype, and then after tasting this, I'll tell you about like we'll delve into the details. But first, we need to try this out. So I'll just open this from here. Okay, carbonated. Now it's the time of the revelation of the truth. Okay, let's see. Well, it's carbonated, and it also has a touch of dates in it. And let's say you drink Pepsi, it's quite harsh on your throat, and you feel like it's uh, sort of more on the heavy side. This one feels quite light, and although it has the same sort of carbonated effect as you experience in Pepsi or Coca-Cola, but the difference is that it feels more light, and there's a essence of dates in it, and also the taste. It seems like dates, and the taste is actually sticking right now. I have taken a sip quite some time ago, maybe 30-40 seconds ago, but still the taste is still there. You don't feel this with other uh, carbonated drinks. But anyways, this there has been a lot of R&D, that research and development, that went into making this one. So I'll complete this one, and then we'll talk. Okay, guys, there's a little left, and I was reading the description over here, and it says no artificial sweetener. And another thing that it mentions is that cola with dates extract, carbonated drink. And there was something else written here as well that was prominent. Okay, where is it? Okay, contains caffeine. It also has caffeine in it. And the things that stand out to me, it's the fact that it's more lighter, and there's a feeling of actually drinking something with the dates in it, because obviously they have dates extract in it. So the dates, and this being more lighter, these are this is what I actually felt more. And also there's no artificial sweetener in it and all this one. So well, if I had to rate it out of 10, I would say maybe 7 or something. I was expecting it to be like completely different than other cold drinks, but anyways, it's a bit different, but I wouldn't say that much. But obviously there's no artificial sweetener in it, so that stands out, and the date, that being the main highlight of this. So let me know down in the comments if you have tried Milaf Cola before. I think I'm gonna complete this. Yeah.